A very good afternoon to all of you, dear students. I hope you all are doing well, staying safe at your homes and taking very good care of yourself. I had shared an introductory lecture with you all in which I had described you all the course content, or I must say the structure of BA first year. So today I am elaborating on it further, taking one example, because there are certain students who are getting confused as to हमें पढ़ना क्या है, क्या पढ़ना है, right? So let's take an example of assigned subject. Assigned subject, say for example, I am taking English and let's say economics. All right, and Sarika has opted for assigned subjects as English and economics. अब Sarika first year graduation में क्या पढ़ेगी? What are the subjects Sarika will study? Okay, so number one, first thing that Sarika has to study is English core compulsory. This subject, English core compulsory, has to be studied by every student of first year, चाहे उसके पास कोई भी course हो. Okay, it is one of the compulsory subject. Now, English core compulsory is name of the subject. Right? Then second paper that you have to study is Hindi core compulsory. I'm not giving you more details. I'm not giving you the course title because हम वो सब कर discuss कर चुके हैं वो details. Okay? Today I'm just telling you the main question that I'm getting कि मैम हमें क्या क्या पढ़ना है. तो दो subjects हो गए, इंग्लिश कोर कंपल्सरी, हिंदी कोर कंपल्सरी. उसके बाद आगे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट व्हाट यू विल बी स्टडिंग विल बी योर फर्स्ट असाइन्ड सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज इंग्लिश. इंग्लिश के आप यू विल बी स्टडिंग टू पेपर्स, राइट? सो दैट विल बी, आई एम गिविंग यू द नेम्स बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. DSC 1A and DSC 1B. DSC I had told you, discipline specific course. So ये क्या है? ये इंग्लिश वाले पेपर्स हैं. Okay? Next, fifth and sixth, I will write here. They are your two subjects of economics. DSE 2A and DSC 2B. The detail of both the papers will be explained to you by your teacher, or she will give you the papers what they are. I know my papers, I have told you that. I have told you DSC 1A is what? English Literature 1. And English Literature 2. So I hope till now you have understood. We got two compulsory courses. Then we got first assigned subject के दो papers पढ़ेंगे हम English के, right? And then economics के again two papers. That comes to 6. Next will be your AECC 1, which is what? Environment Studies. Alright, and lastly is your AECC 104, which is writing skills. AECC, Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course. Again, these two papers are compulsory. So, English कोर कंपल्सरी, हिंदी कोर कंपल्सरी, दो पेपर आपके पहले असाइंड सब्जेक्ट के 2 पेपर, दूसरे असाइंड सब्जेक्ट के 6 हो गए, एंड नेक्स्ट 2 एबिलिटी एनहांसमेंट कंपल्सरी कोर्सेज, जिसमें एक आप एनवायरमेंट स्टडीज पढ़ोगे और एक आप राइटिंग स्किल्स पढ़ोगे इंग्लिश के। ओके, सो इन टोटल कितने हो गए अब? 8 पेपर्स। बीए फर्स्ट ईयर कोर्स पूरा करने के लिए कितने क्रेडिट्स बताए थे मैंने? आई हैव टोल्ड यू 44 credits we have to complete our first year. So these are the 8 subjects which you have to study. अब अगर सपोज मैं यहाँ चेंज करती हूँ, किसी का असाइंड सब्जेक्ट हिंदी पॉलिटिकल साइंस है, तो there will not be any change, just that DSC first and second paper will be of Hindi and these DSC 2 will be political science. तो ये आपका DSC 1 हो गया और ये आपका DSC 2 हो गया। I hope now things are clear to you. अब आपको पता चल गया है इसको देखने के बाद कि मुझे आखिर पढ़ना क्या क्या है, what all subjects you have to study. In total 8 papers. In totality you will be studying 8 papers. तो अब इसको हम ये कंक्लूड करते हैं कि सारिका जिसके पास इंग्लिश और इकोनॉमिक्स असाइंड सब्जेक्ट्स थे, वो इंग्लिश हिंदी कोर कंपल्सरी पढ़ेगी, 2 पेपर्स अपने इंग्लिश के पढ़ेगी, 2 पेपर्स अपने इकोनॉमिक्स के पढ़ेगी, और AECC एनवायरमेंट स्टडीज और AECC राइटिंग स्किल्स पढ़ के शी कंप्लीट्स हर 44 credits. Okay, now I hope there is no scope of any doubts. Still, if any doubt exists, you are free to ask about that. So after the discussion of the course structure, I would like to move on to the next part that I want to discuss with you all today is what various modes are we using for online teaching. Now when I say online teaching, it just doesn't mean that we will be meeting each other, we will be interacting with each other. First, let me tell you the modes. We have created a WhatsApp group where we are interacting, putting up our problems, discussing everything, irrespective of the time slots, whether we should take care when we are messaging the teacher. Okay, so next will be your Google Classroom, and lastly Google Meet. Now this group has been created for DSC 1 English Literature 1. Okay, it is not for compulsory students. It is only for students of DSC 1 English Literature. English Literature 2 will be taught to you by another teacher. Okay, अब बात आती है WhatsApp ग्रुप की। तो WhatsApp ग्रुप जो है, that is not a information bureau, okay, or not a place where you can just flood it with questions. Ma'am, class कब होगी? जल्दी बता दो, 7 o'clock I'm getting a message, ma'am class कब होगी? Today I uploaded an assignment there. I got the question, ma'am what is the due date? Ma'am upload कैसे करना है? वहीं upload करना है? कहाँ करना है? So many questions. Whereas if you would have shown a little patience, everything was there where the assignment was uploaded in the Google Classroom. See, हम ऐसे time में हैं, we are living in the times of pandemic. Things are difficult. Even I can understand problems that you are facing. But then we have to be patient. You have to see that there are official timings of 10 to 4, 10 to 5, during which you can interact with your teacher. You can put forth your problem. And time can cross then 5 only and only if there is some, very urgent or any emergent query that you have. Then you can. So please, as far as the WhatsApp group is concerned, stick to certain rules. It is a professional group. It is not a group that has been formed to chat with your teacher. And I request you all, let us please avoid personal chat messages on WhatsApp. And when you put a query, a question, wait for the reply. I'll take time. I am taking at least 5 classes, right? So it is not very easy to respond to each and every query. Definitely I will respond, but have some patience. Wait for the reply to come. WhatsApp group is for this paper. Anything related to it will be uploaded here. Any message I have to give, everything will be uploaded in the WhatsApp group. Now when we come to Google Classroom, I will be sharing with you handouts. Right? I will be giving you assignments. Then I will be uploading video lectures over there, or video, let us say, video tutorials will be uploaded. And once this has been done, once the video tutorial of the first lesson, let us say, of our book, that is the individual and the society, जब किताब का पहला चैप्टर का वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल मैंने आपके साथ गूगल क्लासरूम में शेयर कर दिया है, after that I will tell you when the Google Meet will take place. We will have a Google Meet for the interactive session. Interactive session of what? To discuss whatever I have explained to you in the video tutorial. That will be the purpose of Google Meet. And let me tell you one thing, because you are a huge number, that is around 160 to 170, I will have to hold 2 different Google Meets. I have to divide you into 2 groups. Okay? That will be told to you well in time. तो क्लास कब होगी मैम, हमारे को असाइनमेंट कहाँ जमा करानी है, हमको कैसे क्या करना है, इट इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू एवरीथिंग. क्लास कब होगी आपको पहले बिल्कुल टाइम पे बताया जाएगा. आई नो यू मस्ट बी यूजिंग phones of your family members, so no issue about it. That is why this remains the most important part. There are some students जिनके पास फोन अभी नहीं है, या उनके फोन मदर फादर के पास होते हैं, जिसके थ्रू वो हमारे से इन टच में है. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप फादर के फोन में या मदर के फोन में है, they go out. So at least whatever has been shared as far as syllabus is concerned, it is there. किसी का कुछ भी मिस नहीं होगा. Whereas if things are only discussed in Google Meet, there are certain aspects or there are certain things which many students might miss. Okay, so keeping in view, right now I can just tell you that keeping in view the present scenario, we will have let's say 2 Google Meets to discuss whatever has been, to take up your queries and discuss whatever has been explained in the video tutorial, or what we call the video lecture. Then from today, we've already started with the attendance process, that you all have understood. But then don't say, ma'am please check कीजिए मेरी attendance लग गई. Is this the way? This is technology, right? We all have to understand it and trust it. You just can't say कि I wonder मेरी assignment पहुंची कि नहीं. I'm just confirming मेरी attendance लगी कि नहीं. So all these things I understand. I understand your inquisitiveness. I understand your excitement. New thing. After 12 years, more than 12-15 years of school, you're coming to a new thing. But then this is the way how you are coming to a college. We are meeting in a virtual college, in a virtual class. Let us be patient and let us trust the technology and follow suit to whatever I tell you, whatever is being told to you. Don't get impatient. Try to understand things. Now, when the assignment was uploaded in the Google Classroom, I had already mentioned the due date. I had already added a comment that all of you will be uploading the solved assignment in the Google Classroom itself. And then what you all are doing, you are taking screenshots. मैम मेरा नाम नहीं है लिस्ट में, मेरा ऐसा नहीं है, मेरी असाइनमेंट नहीं जा रही है, कितने पेजेस की लिखनी है, कितने वर्ड्स की लिखनी है. These are weird questions. Now you are mature people. At this point of time, at this stage of life, focus more on learning than on questioning. Don't worry, you will not be missed out by any of the teacher. Everybody will take care that you have not missed your lessons in any case. Okay? Now I hope I will have a better response as far as the group is concerned, and it is very clear now to all of you that this is group of English Literature 1, DSC 1A, not English Core Compulsory. So, because of your confusions, I had to again elaborate on these things, and these were important for you to make you understand how we will go about it. Okay, so that's all for today. We will be meeting in the next tutorial, in the next lecture, where I will be introducing you to the course content, the syllabus of DSC 1, English Literature 1. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and take care of yourself.